In some instances, pile weather stripping can be difficult to remove due to a lack of openings in the sash frame. This video will help to demonstrate the process of cutting a small slit into the channel to remove and replace your old seal successfully. The project requires a utility knife, an awl, a screwdriver, and pliers. To access the pile weather stripping, remove the window sash and place it on a flat surface. Slide the bubble seal out of the way, then use a utility knife to make a very small slice on the track. This should be done carefully to avoid damaging the sash or making the opening too large that the new strip won't stay in place. Now, use an awl to nudge the pile out of the new slit. At the same time, wedge your screwdriver under the end of the pile to guide it out of the opening. Grip the wool pile with pliers to fully remove. To select the proper replacement pile for your sash, be sure to match the dimensions of your original weather stripping. In particular, the base width needed to fit in the channel and the height of the pile. Install the new pile by guiding the base through the opening. Then, simply cut it to length. While the sash is removed, inspect the bubble seal and replace it if necessary. Using the seal with the same dimensions as your original, apply the same technique to slide the new bubble seal into place. Reinstall the sash by engaging the pivot bar in the pivot lock shoe and tilting the window up and into place. For these parts and more, visit us at Swisco.com.